Looking for a quick and tasty sandwich with a unique twist? Today, I'm showing you how to make Moroccan-style tuna sandwiches that are packed with flavor. Tuna isn't just delicious and easy to prepare, it's also rich in essential nutrients like selenium, phosphorus, and niacin, all while being low in sodium. Stick around as I guide you step by step to make your sandwich stand out. And with that, we've come to the end of today's recipe. We hope you enjoyed it, and we invite you to try it out and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any of our delicious new recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next recipe, God willing.